Why are you licking me? Now you're not going to lick me no more. There you go. Why are you doing that? But why are you licking me? Oh, now you're not going to lick me no more? Because you're on camera? Why are you licking me? Don't argue with me. Why are you licking me? Oh, now you're not going to do it. Why are you ignoring me now? You were just licking me off camera. Now, there you go again. I've never seen a bird do this, but this bird is licking me. Why are you licking me, Maddie? Why were you licking me? Why were you licking me? Now you're yelling at me? You're just